Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making these super adorable keychains using epoxy resin and these molds. These molds were kindly given to me by Fun Showcase. They come in a set of 6 and include some shaker film sheets, which is really convenient. I will also be using some of these really pretty glittery pigments they sent me. So what I'm doing here is I'm mixing my resin with these pigments and some glitter, which by the way, I mixed myself. These are 3 different glitters that I ordered from Larissa and they absolutely look fabulous together. I will be linking the 3 glitters in the description box plus a discount code if you guys want to get some for yourself. For this layer of resin, I decided to use liquid diamond. Since I am having to move fast to get all the colors down and in place, I didn't want to have to worry about any big air bubbles getting trapped along the edges of the molds. Be sure to hit that like button if you're loving this color combination. Once I had all 3 molds filled with the first layer of resin, I let them sit for about 5 hours to harden a bit. Because this pour is a bit more complex, I gave it more time than usual because I wanted to make sure that when I went in with the white resin, it wouldn't shift the colors at all. 24 hours later, these charms are ready to demold and I couldn't be any happier with how they've turned out. I just love the way the colors blended into each other and the sparkle. Can we just take a moment and appreciate the sparkle? Be sure to stick to the end of the video where I show you guys the sparkle in the sun. It's just absolutely beautiful. After painting in some details I wanted to stand out and letting it dry, I drilled a small hole on the side of each charm. This is where I'll be filling it with baby oil later. Then I added my bits and sealed the shakers with the film. If you want to watch a more in-depth video on how I seal my shakers, be sure to check out the end screen on this video to be taken to it. Once all the bits were nicely sealed and secure, it was time to dome. "24 hours later, it was time to glue on my bales and dome the backs. And there you guys have it. These pastel rainbow keychains turned out so adorable, and I just can't get over how beautiful the sparkle is. Be sure to comment down below which charm is your favorite, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!